Do you want to add your YouTube channel link to your TikTok bio and make it clickable? I'll show you exactly how to do it. This way, your followers can tap the link in your bio and go straight to your YouTube channel. First, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon. Tap Edit Profile. In the profile editor, scroll down and click on Link option, where you'll see Instagram and YouTube options. Tap YouTube. This will prompt you to sign in with your Google or YouTube account. Enter your YouTube channel email and password, and your channel link will be added. You'll now see a YouTube link on your TikTok profile. When tapped, it will open the YouTube app and take viewers directly to your channel. That's how you add a clickable YouTube link to your TikTok profile. You can do the same for Instagram. And if you want to add other social media or website links, check out my tutorial on adding clickable links to your TikTok bio. The link is in the description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,